Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn lesson number 8, a game of chance. It is from standard 6th book Honeysuckle, subject English. Previously we completed lesson number 7, so now let us see what is there in lesson number 8. Beautiful story that teaches us moral values regarding the greediness. So let us learn the lesson. Before you read, have you ever won anything in a lucky dip or other such games of chance? Do you like such games? Generally, if we want to answer this, we all like to play those kind of lucky games where we need to use our luck to win something. Many of the times we do not get prizes or we do not win anything, but the excitement in our mind makes this game a fun. Same a story about a game of a lucky shop. So let us learn and discover what is a game of chance. In the meanings, there is a word tradesman, shopkeepers or people who have goods to sell. मीन्स जो शॉपकीपर होते हैं वो जो कुछ ना कुछ बेचते रहते हैं. Paragraph number 1. Every year, on the occasion of Eid, there was a fair in our village. Eid was celebrated only one day, but the fair lasted many days. Tradesmen from far and wide came there with all kind of goods. Here you can see in the picture that on the occasion of it there is a big fair set up outside the village where different kind of shopkeepers or businessmen, they put up their stalls or shop to sell something and to earn money. You could buy anything from a small spoon to a big buffalo. Everything was available in the fair, from a small pin to a big animal buffalo. Paragraph number 2. Uncle took me to the fair. Bhaiya, who worked for us at home, came with us. There was a big crowd at the fair. Uncle was leading us through to the crowd when he met a few of his friends. They wanted him to spend some time with them. Now here the small boy with his uncle and a bhaiya who works at their home. They were going to the fair. There was a big crowd, so the uncle was helping that small boy to reach to the destination. Meanwhile, uncle met few of his old friends. They wanted to hang out there. They wanted to spend some time. So let us see what happens next. In paragraph number 3. Uncle asked me whether I would like to look around the fair with Bhaiya till he came back. I was happy to do that. Uncle warned me neither to buy anything nor to go too far out while he was away. I promised that I would wait for him. In third paragraph it is mentioned that uncle asked the small boy and the another boy with him that would you like to take a round to different stalls or shop in the fair, and if you like to do that, I would like to inform you that do not buy anything or do not go too far away from him as he was busy. Paragraph number 4. Bhaiya and I went from shop to shop. There were many things I would have liked to buy, but I waited for uncle to return. Then we came to what was called the lucky shop. The shopkeeper was neither young nor old. He was a middle-aged man. He seemed neither too smart nor too lazy. He wanted everybody to try their luck. There were dishes on the table with numbers from 1 to 10 facing down. All you had to do was to pay 50 paisa, pick up any 6 dishes, add up the number on the dishes and find the total. The article marked with that number was yours. Now, as the boy and the bhaiya, they were wandering from different shops to another shop. They went to a shop called the Lucky Shop. The owner of the Lucky Shop, उसके बारे में भी डिस्क्रिप्शन है. The owner of the shop was neither too lazy nor very smart. How we can try our luck? So in that shop there were 10 plates. On the plates numbers were written from 1 to 10 and it was put upside down. जो नंबर्स थे उसे उल्टा रख के ढक दिए जाते थे. What you need to do? You need to pay 50 paisa and you can collect any 6 dish. Whatever numbers are marked on that dish, at the end you need to add those numbers. And whatever number is there, if that number is marked on any of the article or things displayed in the shop, it was yours. I hope you must have understood that paragraph. Still, if it is there, if it is not clear, let me just explain in Hindi. वो जो छोटा बच्चा और वो भैया जो एक दुकान से दूसरी दुकान पे घूम रहे थे, वहाँ पे एक शॉप उन्होंने देखी जिसका नाम था लकी शॉप. लकी शॉप का जो ऑनर था, जो मालिक था, वो बहुत स्मार्ट भी नहीं था और बहुत लेज़ी भी नहीं था. उनकी दुकान पे आपको क्या करना है कि अगर आपको अपना लक ट्राई करना है तो आपको वो शॉपकीपर को 50 पैसे देने होंगे. जब आप 50 पैसे दोगे तो उनके जो डेस्क है, टेबल है, वहाँ पे 10 डिशेज़ उन्होंने उल्टी करके रखी है जिसके पीछे 1 से 10 तक के नंबर छुपे हैं. उनमें से किसी 6 प्लेट या डिश आपको उठाकर वो नंबर देखना है और वो नंबर को ऐड करना है, 6 नंबर को ऐड करना है. जो भी सम का आंसर आता है, एडिशन का आंसर आता है, वो नंबर अगर दुकान पे लगे सारे प्राइजेस के ऊपर मैच होता है तो वो प्राइज़ आपका. सो नाउ लेट अस मूव फॉरवर्ड. पैराग्राफ नंबर 5. An old man paid 50 paisa and selected 6 dishes. He added the number on them and found the total was 15. He was given the article marked 15, which was a beautiful clock. But the old man did not want a clock. The shopkeeper obliged him by buying it back for 15 rupees. The old man went away very pleased. As they were standing near the shop, they saw one of the old man who was trying his luck. He paid 50 paisa, took 6 dishes, counted the numbers, did addition, and the answer was 15. And the same number was marked on a beautiful clock. So the shopkeeper gave that clock, but the old man was not happy. So he returned that clock, and instead of that, the shopkeeper gave 15 rupees to him, and the old man was very happy. Now another customer comes. Then a boy, little older than I, tried his luck. He got a comb worth 25 paisa. The shopkeeper looked neither happy nor sad. He bought the comb from the boy for 25 paisa. The boy tried his luck again. He now got a fountain pen worth 3 rupees. Then he tried a third time and he got a wristwatch worth 25 rupees. So these many things were won by that boy. First he won the comb, then he won a fountain pen, and then at last he won a beautiful wristwatch जो हम हाथ पे घड़ी पहनते हैं वो. Then he tried again and he got a table lamp worth more than 10 rupees. फिर चौथी बार भी उसने ट्राई किया और उसे 10 रुपीज़ का टेबल लैम्प मिला. The boy was happy and went away with a smile and had a good deal of cash. सारी चीज़ें उसने वापस लौटा दी और सारे पैसे उन्होंने रख लिए और वो काफ़ी खुश भी था इस बात से. So now looking at those two people, the boy thought that let me try my luck also. I wanted to try my luck too. I looked at Bhaiya. He encouraged me. I paid 50 paisa and took 6 dishes. My luck was not too good. I got 2 pencils. The shopkeeper bought them from me for 25 paisa. I tried again. This time I got a bottle of ink, also of a very little value. The shopkeeper bought that too for 25 paisa. I took a chance for the third time. Still, luck was not with me. Now the small boy tried his luck. At first, he won 2 pencils. Each pencil of 25 पैसा. तो दोनों पेंसिल के 50 पैसा उसको वापस मिल गए क्योंकि उसने वो वापस दे दी थी शॉपकीपर को. सेकेंड टाइम जब उसने वो ट्राई किया तो उसे एक छोटी सी इंक बॉटल मिली. उसकी भी प्राइस बहुत कम थी. शॉपकीपर ने वो 25 पैसे में वापस ले ली. थर्ड टाइम जब उसने ट्राई किया उस टाइम भी लक उसके साथ नहीं था. आई हैड होप्स ऑफ विनिंग बिग प्राइज एंड कंटिन्यूड टू ट्राई माई लक अगेन एंड अगेन, पेइंग 50 पैसा each time, but every time got a trifle. A trifle means a object with very less value or little value. At last, I was left with only 25 paisa. Again, the shopkeeper showed his kindness. He said I could either play once more with 25 paisa or settle the account then there. I played again and the last 25 paisa was also disappeared. Boy was now very greedy, so he played again and again the same game. He gave 50 paisa each time. He won trifles, means very less amount of object. At last he was left with 25 paisa. The shopkeeper said, don't worry, you will get a chance of 25 paisa. So he gave that 25 paisa and he won nothing. People were looking at me. Some were laughing at my bad luck, but none showed any sympathy. Bhaiya and I went to the place where uncle had left us and waited for him to return. Presently he came. He looked at me and said, Rashid, you look upset. What is the matter? Now after finishing all the money that he had, he decided to go back to the place where his uncle had suggested. At the shop, when he lost all his money, nobody showed any kind of sympathy. Somebody laughed at him, and he was now very embarrassed and angry. When they went to the place where uncle told them to stay, he was very upset. When uncle came, he said that, Rashid, what happened? What is the matter? Why are you looking so upset? Look at the next paragraph, 10th. I did not say anything. Bhaiya told him what had happened. Uncle was neither angry nor sad. He smiled and patted me. He took me to the shop and bought me a beautiful umbrellas, biscuits, sweets, and some other little gifts. Then we returned home. Now, when uncle came to Bhaiya and that boy, he was neither very angry on them or nor very sad, because he knew the truth, what has happened. So he asked Rashid and Nandu, that another boy, that would you like to have some umbrellas, biscuits, sweets? So they were very happy after getting them. Then they went back to the home. Back home, uncle told me that the lucky shop man had made a fool of me. No, uncle, I said, it was just my bad luck. No, my boy, said uncle, it was neither good luck nor bad luck. As they went back to the home, they were talking, and uncle told that little boy that you were fooled by that shopkeeper of Lucky Shop. No, uncle, it was just my bad luck. Then uncle replied that no, beta, it's not your bad luck. There is nothing like good luck or bad luck. ऐसी कोई चीज़ होती नहीं है good luck या bad luck. If you put efforts in something, you will get result. अगर आप शॉर्टकट से कुछ अचीव करना चाहते हो तो वो आपके लिए कभी सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा. No, my boy, said uncle, it was neither good luck nor bad luck. But, uncle, I said, I saw an old man getting a clock and a boy getting 2 or 3 costly things. You don't know, child, uncle said. They were all friends of the shopkeeper. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck. They wanted your money and they got it. Now forget about it and don't tell anybody of your bad luck or your foolishness. So this is the thing that we should learn, कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता गुड लक या बैड लक. अगर हम अच्छे काम करते रहेंगे सच्चे मन से, काफ़ी मेहनत लगन से, तो हमें उस काम में सफलता मिलेगी ही मिलेगी. अगर हम बैठ के ये सोचते रहें कि ये सारी चीज़ें मेरे पास आ जाएगी, वो कभी नहीं होगा. उसके लिए अगर आप कोई शॉर्टकट में रास्ता ढूंढते हैं तो वो भी लंबा नहीं चलेगा. सो यही चीज़ें हमें सीखनी है. आई होप आप सबको ये स्टोरी सुनने में बहुत मज़ा आया होगा. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. हैव अ गुड डे एंड टेक केयर.